Hi guys, it's me again, Christina, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a home tour studio. But before I will start my video, I am going to show you the before and after so that you guys can see the outcome. As you can see, this is my new background, which is I love it. I'm really happy with it. I'm so satisfied and I'm so thankful because my husband is so very helpful and very supportive to me. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so this is the back wall of our studio. Previously, I had all speakers and guitar amps and a bunch of stuff laying around. Well, we've decided that we're going to relocate that stuff to a different studio and make this our photo studio. So here's the before, and what we're looking to do is to put a nice backdrop back here and utilize this space the best we can, considering that you can see how the ceiling is as we're in the upper area of our home. But yeah, I've got a pretty neat idea that I think is going to work. We do have a stand for our backdrop. However, again, because of the angle of the walls, we're not going to be able to get the full width of that with the stand, and plus the stands take up floor space, which in a small area like this we need all the floor space we can get. So here's the before, and we'll go and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so here's what we got going on. I had purchased basically some black pipe, something used for running gas lines, and I also had plenty of galvanized pipe in the garage. It's just 1/2 inch galvanized, and this all steel pipe. We're not putting water through it, and we're certainly not putting gas through it. But we're going to use this, and we're going to use it to make our holder for that backdrop in the studio. Let me show you what we got. All right, there we go. As you can see, the galvanized here, this is these are the pieces I had from another project that was sitting in the garage, and I'm really glad I decided to look out there and see what I had, because it is a bit ridiculous, I think, what the cost of this pipe is right now. All this new stuff right here, believe it or not, you're looking at $40 worth of material. Now, I would say, from what I remember, not even 10 years ago, that to me, that's not even $20 worth of stuff there. But needless to say, these were the expensive parts. I needed these 1/2 inch, these are called floor flanges. But what these are going to allow me to do is to mount these pipes to the ceiling. And this is what we're going to use to hold our tarp. So tarp or backdrop. Actually, you'll see that I'm going to have 3 sections. You see the 3 different pipes. 2 are going to go along those side angle walls. One's going to go across the top ceiling. You'll see what it's going to look like once we get it all together. But basically, I just needed to make sure I had the lengths of pipe, whatever length you may need if you're going to do a similar project. But for our project, this is what we needed. Needed some elbows, needed some nipples, and of course the floor flanges, 6, 2 for each pipe that we're going to mount. This is also a neat way to do it if you're going to make a closet rod or any kind of clothes rod. Very strong. I've done this in our basement and in one of our closets too. Super strong. A little expensive now, but long lasting. All right, here we go.
Hi, my dear.
Hi. Make sure they're good and snug. Got these as snug as I can get them. Gotta make sure they're straight. Don't want to have a.
I think you made it straight.
Think so?
Yeah.
I think it's I'd say straight enough. So we'll put the flanges on here, and the first one's already done. This one we'll put on the ceiling because it's black, and the other two are silver. So this way it'll kind of give it a look. Won't be odd looking. Not that we're gonna see it. That's not our focus. The focus is, of course, its functionality. Fortunately, whoever put these pipes together before didn't put them together very tight, so it makes it easy for me to take them apart and use the parts. They also didn't care to take the labels off, which is fine too. So what I did was take the pipe, and take it down here, and made sure everything was just a little more than hand tight. Then I put the flanges on, and then what I did to make sure that they were straight is set it down on the ground, and then I took the pipe wrench and then just kind of adjusted it until they were in level. And once they were level, we're good. And then I made sure the floor flanges were, again, as tight as I can get them by hand. And then I wanted the screw holes to line up straight. So when I put this in to the ceiling, well, this one's going on the wall, but I'm going right to a stud. And so I wanted the screws to be lined up in the right spot. So they're going this way with the pipe. And again, tighten it up as tight as I could by hand. And then I just took the wrench and pulled it over to the spot where I need it. And let's go take a picture of all three together, and we'll get them hung up. So there's the three pieces. And like I said, you can do the same thing. If you want to make cool looking towel rods or something, retro looking towel holders, you can do the same thing. Get the pipe. I would suggest cleaning it really good, and then spraying it with clear coat, because it is, especially the black, it's just raw iron. It'll rust fast, especially in a bathroom. But for our purpose, what we're using it for, we're not going to worry about that. But there it is. You know, I got the two for the walls, and we got the one for the ceiling. So we're going to go get them mounted.
Sitting in my room, thinking about all the crazy things we love to do. Just me and you. Can't help but smile, laugh a bit, 'cause I know you're my perfect fit, even though we're pretty opposite. But you're the apple of my eye, the reason there are blue skies all the time. And everything I do, I wanna do it with you. And sometimes things aren't going right, but you're the last piece to the puzzle of my life. My ride or die. When life gets rough, your love's enough to get me had my heart, now I see that when life gave you lemons, you just spat them in my face. You broke my heart. This crazy glue fell apart. When life got rough, I thought love was enough to get us through. But I was wrong about you. And when you were down, I was always around, 'cause I loved you. I was so stuck on you. No more crazy glue. Sitting in my room, thinking about all the crazy things we love to do. Just me and you.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once I have a new video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more of me. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.